The rally today is to allow the regional communications partners to come together and collaborate and train together with their emergency equipment and communications vehicles to be ready if they have to respond in time of emergency, know how to operate. And so during the Navy Yard shooting, Fairfax County's helicopter provided air support for that, as well as responders were able to come in and communicate seamlessly with the responders around the Navy Yard. We've got all the local counties represented around the National Capital Region. We've got state police and also several federal agencies. Having these vehicles together throughout the day, they're going to practice passing communications from video, Wi-Fi, and linking each other together to understand how they do it here so that when they have to respond in an emergency, it's seamless for them.